So today in PE, you are going to get to combine all the things that we've been working on over the last few weeks with our target activities and create your own at-home propelling with hands mini golf obstacle course. Let's check it out. So just like a regular mini golf hole, you will decide on a place to start in your space and where to place your towel target to aim for. Your towel target is like the hole, and that's where you will finish. When creating your hole, your start spot and your towel target should be on opposite sides of your room. In between your start spot and your towel target, you will also need to create two obstacles to challenge yourself with along the way. One of those obstacles needs to be designed so your object can be propelled over it to get to the other side, and your other obstacle needs to be designed so your object can be propelled under it to get to the other side. The goal is for you to see how few shots it can take you to propel your object to finish on top of your towel target by completing each obstacle challenge in order. You'll take your next shot from the place your previous shot landed, and the lower the score you can get, the better. For each shot you take, it will be up to you to decide which propelling with hands skill you want to use for that particular situation. You can choose from all the ones that we've been practicing over the last few weeks.